Staring at the back door,
Leave it to the back room.
get you feeling far from home.
Got that butterfly knife on my side though, on my side.
It's time to do it backwards.
Get it back.
I got you slipping through the hole, stripped down to the bone, feeling low.
It's 6:30 a.m. and I wake up at the railway station. Last night I thought I'd give a visitation, but 2 hours later we got fucked up, really got fucked up. Don't I got lost, and now I'm stuck in the depressing reality. Sitting in the back feeling higher than I've ever been, but I've never been